Hello, everyone. It's Jason and Devon again. And so a few weeks ago, we sat down thinking, what should be our next song? What should be our next video? And it turns out a few of the songs that we had as options sounded very similar. And in fact, some of them even had the same chords. So we've taken three popular pop songs. We've taken B.o.B's Airplanes, Lady Gaga's Poker Face, and I Want It That Way by the Backstreet Boys, and we just mashed them all together to make one big song. So we hope you enjoy.
Mm-hmm. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, right now, right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, right now, right now. I wanna hold them like they do in Texas, please. Hold them, let them hit me, raise it, baby, stay with me. Love game, intuition, play the cards with spades to start. And after I've been hooked, then baby, then we'll play it hard. And oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, I'll get him high, show him what I got. And oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, I'll get him high, show him what I got. Carry mine, no he can read my poker face. Carry mine, no he can read my poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, my fire, the one desire, believe when I say that I want it that way. And we are two worlds apart. I can't reach to your heart. And when you say that I want it that way, tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say that I want it that way. Now I can see that we're falling apart from the way that it used to be. No matter the distance, I want you to know that deep down inside of me. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, right now, right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, right now, right now.
Thanks for listening.